Hey everyone, I'm Nicole, an occupational therapist with the Note Ninjas, and together with Stephanie, a physical therapist, we are a PT and OT duo. We teach other PTs, OTs, students, and assistants treatment ideas and documentation tips. So today I'm going to be showing you an activity that we are using with a product that we partnered with, Geri-Gadgets. So we spoke with the owner, Angela. We actually reached out to her because we just loved her product. It is so amazing, and her backstory is even more amazing. So we highly recommend you go to Geri-Gadgets, check out, read it all about it. But we're just showing you this activity that may be used in a different way than what it was meant to. So, we like to put a little spin on these activities and these products that we have. So I'm gonna cut to the video and then we'll talk about it after. As you could see in the video, this is the flower bucket that we're using from Geri-Gadgets. And instead of just sitting and placing the flowers in the vase, which is great, it's very stimulating, especially for an individual with cognitive decline, or even my toddler loves these flower boxes. I have her play with it too. It's just a great activity all around for all populations. But I'm making it more of a balance activity in this video, because I want to work on sidestepping, weight shifting laterally, functional reaching, dynamic standing balance, some problem solving in there as well. Okay, so I place the flowers on one side and then I'm transferring over to a surface. You can make it more of an ambulation task and have them, walk to the other side of the room to place. I do this all the time with any other objects that I have, but it's kind of a better, more functional way to work on that ambulation and reaching than just cones or, no hate on cones, but it's just a little bit more creative. So we love the flower bucket from Geri-Gadgets. This is just another way that you could use for an individual who is a little bit more active and needs some more engagement. So instead of just sitting, they can do it in standing and have them add that ambulation and balance component to it. So, and then just make sure that you are documenting your skill, what you did, any direction that you're providing them, any strategies, so any progressions that you're doing. Are you adding obstacles for them to step over? Are you adding wrist weights for strengthening? Just make sure that you are documenting that in your notes to make this activity skilled and make your notes defensible. So for more treatment ideas and documentation, make sure to follow us, the Note Ninjas.